Alrighty, we're warming up. I should turn solid red any second. Got to put my PPE on. 3M rated OV for organic vapor. We're going to try out the new port. Here we go, mufflier than normal. If I can get this on right. Okay, bottom strap connected. Now I figured out how to load this after forever. Oh look, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the trick is to cover with your thumb, because what I was doing is filling up past that. So mashing it down in. Let's see what happens. Look at that. I've been doing it wrong. Mash it down in. Straight down. Didn't twist. I think I was twisting before. Okay, we've gone solid. So I added a new port right here. Let me pull this out. Try doing this without knocking all my nice OV out. There we go. Pull that out. So I put in a Teflon. I replaced the metal, and I was able to press one of these in. It's about 1 inch in, if you can see it there. So we're going to give it a whirl. When I first put this in, I'd melted. I got the these little tabs real hot and kind of made a place for them to attach. And then I angled this up, so it's actually got quite a bit of an angle to it. So let's see what happens. Of course, I'm going to stand to the side, and away we go. So I'm going to do this for about 30 seconds. I'm going to just let it rest, and then I'm going to look at the front. I didn't close the front. Probably should have. But you can hear the bees. See me there. So a little bit is coming out, and you could hear them ratchet up there buzzing. A little tiny bit coming off the bottom plate, but not terrible. So it's been over, it's actually been a minute. So let's take it out. Oh, it's still a little burst. Oh, I got a bee in my ear. So, looks like it didn't clog. That's good. Take that off. I'm going to do the other hive. And that's amazing. Let me pop the my handy dandy rigid Superflex coax back in. And one thing I noticed when I had the metal in there is it would heat up the plastic around, and I don't feel that at all. So I think this is the solution. You could see the angle where I had it angling up because of where it was. Alright, we're going to do the other hive.